Hey, welcome back to Project Versus. I'm Tim.
And I'm Camden. Today we're going to be featuring this awesome, sweet wide-body M2. So let's go check them out.
Alright, so let's check out this wide-body M2, just like Camden was saying. We featured this guy a little while back, but we want to do our video on it, so let's check him out. He's a M2 Ghost on Instagram. It is awesome. Check this bad boy out. Since we featured him a little while ago, he's done some upgrades, but we're just going to flip through here and show you what he's all about here. So check this out. In-depth feature. Now, this is on Instagram, but we have all of the updates, all the things that he's done to the car, right on the website, and we'll show you that right on our blog. But check it out, guys.
All right, so we got the numbers up here.
Check it out.
This is the run that we just did just now. So he's making 539 and 590 torque.
Nice.
And it looks really good.
Wow.
That's awesome. Very cool. All right, so guys, you can check that out. Just scroll down through. You'll find that feature, and you'll find him right on there. You can also find it right on our blog. If you go over to projectversus.com, you can just search M2. You'll find him right on there, and he's got the questions. What's your next mod? He actually has those seats on, so you got to go check those out. Lowering that weight, yeah, it's pretty awesome. That car is amazing. So let's go ahead and we're gonna jump over to his Instagram, M2 Ghost, and we're gonna rate some pictures here, and see what he's got going on. So I'll pick him, Camden. I'll pull him up, and then you tell me what you think about it. 1 through 10. Okay. All right, you ready? So here we go. First one. Here we go.
I really like that one. It shows how wide it is. I'm going to give that a 9 out of 10.
Oh, nice. All right. Well, he's got a couple other.
Both of these, have pins coming through.
Oh, yeah. All right, good. So there's that one. Awesome.
Yep. You should do that one.
Yeah, for sure. All right. So this next one, I'm gonna rate this one. All right. So also just love how wide it is, even from the front. I'm gonna give this one. I like the sun. Oh, he's got a whole video there. I'm telling you, this guy. If you love BMWs, you gotta follow this guy, M2 Ghost. But anyway, so love that one. 9 out of 10 for sure. Let's go down here. Let's scroll down a little bit. Let's get it like a side shot, Camden. We can find. Oh, I like this. All right, how about this one, bud?
That is gonna be a 10 out of 10 for me.
Yeah,
I like how it's in the dark and the white is just like shining off of it. That's awesome.
For sure. Like, check out his the headlights are awesome. Yeah, very cool.
That is sweet.
Well, let's see if he's got oh yeah, here's a track day. Boom. That's funny. All right, so let's check out his new seats. I talked to you about those. They're in there. Sweet. He's installing them. Oh yeah, he's got the Ghost emblem right on there. Super cool. Love it. And you can see how he's showing how much they weigh, reducing that weight. Really cool. Let's okay, a couple more pictures here, Cam. Why don't you rate this one? Okay. Go ahead.
That's gonna be 8.5 for me. I like how it's like rainwater, but in the background I do see a van. But yeah, it's amazing. Definitely you see the wide body, but yeah. It's just a van.
Get that van out of there. That's hilarious. All right, so how about, all right, well, I'll do one more and then it'll be good. Side shot right here. Nice reflection. 8 out of 10. Maybe a little bit, obviously it's a rainy day, but great job.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Super cool. Make sure you guys go check out that feature. I'm going to pull us back up here. All right, well, guys, thanks for joining us on this little feature here. Like I said, make sure you check them out. Check out that feature on Instagram. Check it out on the blog. And we'll be doing some more of these videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. So, see ya.
See ya.